Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this August the 6th, 2023. I hope everybody had a great Sunday out there so far. Hope everybody has a great Sunday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather. Okay, in today's video, we're going to talk about your forecast for Monday and Tuesday. Also, going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. Also, take a look at the watches warning advisory map for your location across the nation. Also, we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center overview and storm reports that came in this afternoon. And also, we're going to take a look at the National Hurricane Center tropical weather outlook at the end of this broadcast. So, stick around to the entire video and do not miss a beat of my forecast. And if you're a new viewer and like my daily weather forecast content, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me. I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, like these videos and share these videos so that way more people get a chance to view my forecast content and get my forecast on out there to more people. Okay, alrighty. Well, let's go ahead and roll there, folks. And we're going to dive on into the forecast now. Alright, as you can see here, we got quite condition Canada, back through southern Canada, back to the southwestern portion of Canada, that is. Also in the portion of Wisconsin, portion of northern Minnesota, Michigan, also into Minnesota, North Dakota, portion of Montana, portion of South Dakota to Iowa, portion of Nebraska, Kansas, and Oklahoma, back into northern Arkansas, portion of southern Illinois, through much of Missouri there as well. Also over here past to the Gulf of California, northern central Mexico, also toward Texas, toward the Houston area, Louisiana, southern portions of Mississippi and Alabama, and a little bit of the Florida Panhandle. Dry weather expected there. We have Tropical Storm Eugene right here, just west of the Gulf of California. Also up here we got shower Vancouver, Canada, through Washington State. Through Washington, that is, and Washington State. Also in the port of Oregon, all the way back into Wyoming and Montana, South Dakota, all the way to Arizona, New Mexico, and West Texas. Also to Oklahoma, Arkansas, just east of Dallas. Also into Mississippi, down into the Florida Keys. Also into Miami, Florida, that is, through Georgia, the Carolinas, including Atlanta, Georgia, Illinois. Also toward Toronto and Montreal, Canada, back up toward Maine and Boston, New York, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., like I said, the Carolinas as well. We got over here in the red slashed area, over here in portions of Washington State, Montana, Idaho, some heavy rain possible, some severe weather possible, reported Nebraska and Kansas, Alabama through Georgia, the Carolinas, all the way into portions of New York State, in the red slashed area there. Some heavy rain and flash flooding possible in the yellow slashed area. Like I said, that's severe weather possible in these two yellow slashed areas for your Monday for severe weather. Alright, let's move on to your Tuesday forecast. You can see here we got quiet condition from Quebec, Canada, back down into Michigan, also into Chicago, Illinois, also down into Kentucky, into Virginia, to the Carolinas, also toward Atlanta, Georgia, through Tennessee, Illinois, back through Minnesota, northern North Dakota, portion of Montana, southern Canada, southwest Washington State, through Oregon, San Francisco, Los Angeles, also down to the Gulf of California, also northern and central Mexico, over toward Dallas and Houston area, portion of Louisiana, and Denver, Colorado. Expect dry conditions there. Post-tropical cyclone Eugene will still be located just west of the Gulf of California as well, and south of Los Angeles. Alright, we got showers and storms over portions of northern Mexico, right along the border there with Arizona and New Mexico as well. We got showers over here in portions of Vancouver, Seattle, Washington. Showers and thunderstorms expected over here portions of right Washington State, over toward portion of Montana, and again right over here portion of northern Minnesota. Yeah, right on the Canadian border there, through Montana, Wyoming, back in South Dakota, down through Kansas and Missouri, down into Mississippi, central southern Georgia, southern South Carolina, back up toward Philadelphia, New York, Washington, D.C., Boston, over toward Ohio, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, toward Toronto, Canada, Montreal, and up toward Maine there as well. In the main and the red slash in New York State, some heavy rain and flash flooding possible. In the yellow slashed area there could be radar across the nation. It's slowly coming up. Here we go. We got it. All right, we got showers over here in portions of I don't know where the precipitation went to. We're just showing a blank map right now. Okay. Warning advisory map. Well, here it is. We got Minnesota back towards Sioux Falls City. Iowa, Atlanta, Georgia. Also back into Idaho. Also towards Cheyenne area. Denver, Colorado. And also some over towards Salt Lake City, Utah as well. And a little bit over southern Colorado. Alright. We're going to move on to the Watches Warning Advisory map for your location across the nation. And it's slowly coming up. Okay, here we go. We got some beach statements along the main coast there. Also up here in Portland, New York State, back over to Wisconsin, North Carolina. Special weather statements for New York State. Some flooded watches, advisories there for portions of the Washington, D.C., Maryland, and Delaware area. Special weather statements all Illinois and portions of Iowa. Also in effect for Illinois. Flood advisories there in portions of Illinois as well. One right here in portions of Missouri. Also in portions of Montana, Washington State, also in Idaho as well. Air quality alerts for you guys here in Oregon State. We have heat advisory for portions of California. Sets of heat warnings also in effect for Southern California, Southern Nevada, one county there in Northern Nevada. Red flag warnings also in effect for Eastern Utah, much of southern and southwestern portions of Colorado, and northern portions of New Mexico as well. Fire weather watches also in effect for portions of Utah also. Alright, heat advisory extended for portions of central and southern portions of New Mexico, western Texas, southern Texas, also back over toward portions of Arkansas, back into Mississippi, back into eastern Alabama, the Panhandle, Florida, southern Florida, Georgia, portions of central and northern South Carolina, through much of North Carolina there as well. A set of heat watches also in effect for you guys in northern Florida and southern Georgia. So also in effect for ports of Georgia. Special weather statement for some strong thunderstorms there in southeast Georgia. Also, severe thunderstorm watch also in effect for a couple as well. Some special weather statement and severe thunderstorm warning for you guys as well. Alright, red flag warning for you guys. Central and North got some special weather statements. The Hawaiian Chain Island got some high wind warnings for you guys. Gale warnings to the south. North looks a-okay. Alright, review from Prediction Center. Extended from portions of Ohio down into the Carolinas, all the way back down into portions of Alabama, back into Mississippi, back over to Arkansas, back into Wyoming as well. Slight risk there as well. Slight risk also in the yellow there, extending all the way down into Georgia, back into Illinois. Also Indiana. One down here in southern South Carolina. There's that tornado watch box there. Got one over here in portion yeah, concerned severe thunderstorm watch down here. There as well, southern Georgia as well as southern Alabama. Hail report with one that was in Colorado. And finally, let's wrap it up with the Hurricane Center. Alrighty. Tropical cyclone activity not expected during the next 48 hours. Video. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well. Enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Like this video, share this video, consider subscribing, and we'll catch you back in the next video.